Physician scientists have a really special place in biomedical discovery.
There is a huge lack of communication between the clinical world and the preclinical space, and the physician scientist can talk across that divide.
The mission of Sarnoff really is to promote young people to have experiences in science.
Sarnoff is a one-year opportunity for individuals in medical school to experience research.
To take a year away after you've done your preclinical work to do research and inform the direction of their career.
And when we place people in labs, we also choose top scientists from very diverse backgrounds.
Diversity in terms of course, racial, ethnic backgrounds, gender, but also from where Sarnoff trainees are coming from.
They have mentors who are deeply respected across the country.
They helped them to find the right research environment for them, and then they shepherd them through their whole research year.
It can be in a wet lab like this one, or it can be in a dry lab, and then come back and present their science at our annual meeting.
Very senior scientists come to this meeting. They come because they're inspired by these talks.
You meet new people, new students, and it's very refreshing, encouraging them, fostering them, talking to them about the process.
You see a community of people who have different perspectives, and that brings so much richness to the way that you think about science.
A career as a physician scientist really sparks my interest because I can really take my patients' experiences and apply that to my research questions and to what are the barriers to them receiving care.
Patients who are cared for by physicians of similar background have better outcomes. This really highlights the need for a diverse workforce within cardiovascular science.
We are committed to giving everybody a chance based on their talent and their achievements, irrespective of their background.
The best scientists are the ones who are willing to learn regardless of where the sources are. And we also need a diversity of questions to ask.
So we need everybody's input to understand disease, pathophysiology, and most importantly, ways to change the future.
I think that it's an investment that will bear fruit and really guide you on the path that you want to do.
Being in science, I've had the great pleasure of interacting with a tremendously diverse group of scientists. So diversity is incredibly important in the training of our young scientists.
To be able to see people who have had a successful career who look like you is really important.
And Sarnoff is very much committed to that. Our scientific committee is 50% women. 50% of our Sarnoff fellows are women.
It truly does mean that you have this lifelong sort of set of mentors and community.
No matter where you go in terms of applying for residency and fellowship and jobs, most likely there's someone with ties to Sarnoff there.
We are highly committed to enhance the diversity of our pipeline in an effort to make sure that the future physician scientists reflect the demographics of our world.
And to be able to get the amount of advice that you can get from all these different people who have walked the path that you're about to take, that's one of the unique things about the Sarnoff.
Being in the Sarnoff community is just an amazing opener of doors.
We want to give you the tools and the resources you need to be successful and make impactful contributions to science and medicine.